To reach at the end of your data, you can hit Ctrl and down arrow. It will let you reach to the end, and Ctrl up will let you reach to the top of the sheet. So Ctrl down and Ctrl up to reach the end and start of the sheet. To select column elements, you can use a shortcut of Ctrl and spacebar. Okay, it will let you select all the elements from the column. If you wanted to select whole row, then you can hit shift and spacebar. Okay, it will let you select all the elements of that particular row.